What's up guys, it's Devyn Grillo here, and I just want to do this quick video on how you can actually start to build your team online, right? So there's two different platforms that I think are really good for this, and that's Fiverr and Upwork. Upwork's great quality, you're going to get good people, allows you to really filter down, interview, pick whoever's best. So essentially what you can do when you start to outsource some of the smaller tasks, it allows you to focus on the big picture, where you want to go, working like being the face of in front of your clients. It allows you to not get so bogged down in the little details, the little tasks, because you're able to outsource it, right? And that's how companies start to be able to scale. So essentially it's really valuable, plus it starts to give you a little bit of that freedom, right? Where you're not at an office checking in with your team. You're able to, you can travel and you can manage your team virtually. And then the last benefit that I think is huge is typically these freelancers on Fiverr, on Upwork, they don't charge very much, right? So if you were to hire like a full-time like digital marketing person, employee in your company that you're starting up, they're gonna cost you like $4 or $5 grand a month to employ them, right? Whereas you can, so like what I've done in the past, basically be the middleman. You can provide like a website design to somebody and say, hey, it's gonna be $1,000 for this website design. You go on Fiverr and you have somebody do it for $100, right? And essentially what you're doing is you're the middleman connecting these two pieces. And of course I still go in after the guy on Fiverr designs it. I go in, edit it up a little bit, add the final details and stuff like that. But essentially what you're doing is you're taking a lot of the work off of yourself so that you can focus on getting more jobs, and you're handing it to somebody else who's just as skilled as you are, most likely, and it allows you to focus on the big picture things, right? And that's important in order to scale and actually start to grow your business. So just a thought for you guys who are just starting out, who are thinking about, hey, I want to start to go to the next level, I want to start to identify who I want on my team, what tasks I need to outsource and not get so bogged down in, right? So just a thought. I'll put the link below for Fiverr and Upwork, and you guys can check those platforms out. They're really helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Take care.